Tara, samahan nyo kami sa Team Casas Camping Adventure dito sa Camp Awol. And it's our day 3. Ang dami nangyari sa araw na ito.
We start our video with our waterfall side trip. We need a guide to get there. So if you want to watch the full vlog, please check out our playlist. For now, balik tayo sa beginning of our day. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey guys, good morning. Look at that river. It's so nice and clear. Oh, sarap maligo dyan, pero I know malamig. It's our day 3 ng aming camping. And hopefully, gumanda yung weather. And it looks like it because may mga gagawin pa kami activities. Gaya ng rappelling, giant swing, wall climbing. Ang ganda talaga dito sa campground na ito. Even though it rained, challenge ng camping experience, but good experience. Yun lang, nabasa ang aming mga tuwalya. Paano kami matitiyo mamaya, but that's okay. So guys, see you around.
Ito yung isa sa CR pala nila. The staff maintain this properly. Dito pwede ka maghugas ng mga plates, etc. mo. Ito, may driller din sila. I think that's for the cabin use. Ito yung shower nila. Go outside, kabilaan. Toilets. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan. Ayos, diba? Malinis sila. Nice dito sa Camp.
Ang ganda ng landscaping and pathway dito sa campground. May iba't iba kasi silang campsite. Nandoon kami ngayon sa riverside. Medyo umaambon. Tingnan mo yung river. Oh. Ang ganda, diba? Let's go. Balik tayo sa campground.
Hey guys, it's cooking breakfast time by our master chef. Yeah! Ayan, what's the menu for the day? Some egg and hotdog. So, umuulan, that is part of our camping experience. So, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Kampilan, good morning.
Good morning din po.
Ay, busy pa silang maghakot. May mga check-out kasi.
Oh my God!
Araw na guys. Yes! Awit nga tayo doon. Let's go. Tulog pa yung si Nikolai. Tawid tayo doon sa kabila. Hopefully. Cool. To the touch. Nice. Ganda.
Yung dalawa, chill doon sa tent setup namin. Ito ang aming day 3 of the 4 days camping journey. Second time namin dito sa Camp Awol, Real Quezon. Likod nito is bundok of Sierra Madre Mountains, Magubat. Pag pumunta ka dun sa giant swing, makikita mo kung kagano kataas talaga ito. Maganda itong weather now kasi nga umulan kanina, so very cool ang weather. Maganda siya. Ayan, tingnan mo naman dito, very peaceful. Ayan. Araw-araw, maya't-maya, naglilinis sila dito. Tara guys, pasok tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dyan. Pero hindi tayo papasok ng malayo, okay? Ayan na yung dalawa. Sinusundan ako ng mga ka-trekker natin. Ako muna. Silipin ko lang. What is this place? Ito ang aming tayo tawid.
Guys, to let you know, yung other side ng river is not part of the campground anymore. Ang boundaries ng campsite is tong river running along the perimeter. This is the third time silang mag-swim on our third day. But ako, ito yung second time ko lang mag-swimming. Ito na rin yung part na nangyari ang hindi maganda. Siguro dahil natuwa akong mag-video ng mga kids, I tried to have the drone go through these branches and then unfortunately nag-crash siya. Out.
Hey guys, bad news. We crashed our drone, or I did, but I'm not sad because I'm with my family and I'm happy.
Yeah.
Oldie.
So, hopefully it gets repaired. Okay lang, no? Where are you? It's okay?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go. Day 3. Akyat uli kami. Ayan. Binibilang nila yung steps. Ayun na sila. Okay, let's go to do it. Hi guys, we're in the activity center of Camp Awol. Ito yung pinakataas niya. Tingnan mo. Whoa. Nice. Ayun. Si Chloe. Ganda dito. Ayan, let's see. Ayun siya, oh. Giant swing. So, we're gonna go. Yeah, giant swing. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, them.
Mga medyo kinakabahan na sila dito but they were up to the task naman Ang galing nga.
Ready na sila. Ayan. Makiat doon. Okay.
Dito sa wall climbing, pwede kang mag-pair or solo. Assisted naman ito ng mga personnel ng campsite, so this is pretty safe, especially for the young ones. At si Mrs. dalawang time yan ang ginawa to during our first camping, and this one, she did the right side the other time, and now dito siya. Mabilis nga siyang umakyat eh. Talo pa ako. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hi, Nikolai. Oh, be careful. Next.
Ito naman yung rappelling. Pwedeng tandem again or solo. Sa umpisa mukhang mahirap ito. But sabi nila, madali naman daw once you are doon na climbing down.
Nice. Ayan, no? Whoa. And Chloe's going up. Nakakalula rin pala to. Holy smokes, nakakalula ka. Yeah. There she goes. She's coming up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Whoa! Here's John Peter Turner. Yeah. Ayan siya. Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Yeah! Woo! Let's go! Yeah! Next up is Casey. Go! Yes! 1, 2, 3.
Napakaganda talaga dito sa Camp Awol. Now we finish our activities. Let's head back to the campsite namin.
It's dinner time. Barbecue chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Sarap nito. Ito ang chicken inasal. Yeah. Chicken inasal. The best. Talo ka dito, Coco Martin. Yeah. Hi guys. Kakain na kami ng dinner. Last dinner dito sa Camp Awol. Bukas ay uuwi na. So, ayan sila. Napagod dahil ang dami na may activities today na ginawa. Sila pala o ay tiga video and cheerleader lang. Night time. Nice. If you can hear all the animals are very peaceful. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Time for some marshmallow. Marshmallow time. There's a set up there.
there's a setup there, but not too many.
Kinain mo, ganda yung ba yun?
Rankless. Rankless hands. I wanna do prankless hands. Harmless pranks. Prankless hands. Why so close?
O, kanina yung masusunog dyan, oh.
Ay, no? Tapos na kami kumain ng marshmallow. Wow! Lipat naman kami doon. Kakain kami ng nachos. Yeah!
Dito nagtatapos ang aming day 3. Though we had a drone accident, this was a great day because we did a lot of things and it was full of memories na we will cherish forever. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. Check our playlist for other videos and we'll see you tomorrow on our last day. Let's go, let's go, let's go!